Hey y'all, welcome back to It Ain't Cheap. I'm not buying it. Y'all, I ran out the Dollar General real quick, and it was last month. I can't believe it's been this long and it's been sitting on my couch. April the 14th, y'all. But the total that I paid was $9.50, and you can see it down here. $10 and some change, and the date shows you this is how long that the stuff has been sitting on my couch. 4/14. I went out 4/14/20. Very short haul, so we're gonna get into it. Look, y'all. Isn't this pretty? A wickered utensil basket from True Living. It's $5. And you know, you can put your knives, spoons, forks, and whatever utilities in your basket for outside when you're having a barbecue. I thought this was so cute. And if y'all have not been to Dollar General, y'all, let me tell you, Dollar General is coming out with some beautiful tableware. It's the melamine type, but it's beautiful tableware for your tables. So if you get a chance, make sure you go in with your scarves. I keep my scarf up here. That way I can bring it down, wrap it around, and I'm being safe. I found this pretty blue salt and pepper shaker. Isn't that nice? And these are heavy. And guess how much these were? $2.50. I'm telling y'all, don't sleep on Dollar General, because they are coming out with some nice stuff. And let's just open this. I don't like to open up some stuff sometimes because it gets lost in my jungle of a living room. But this is what it looks like. Bottom where you fill it up at. Nice holes here. So, and it has the S in the front that tells you, salt and pepper. For $2.50, very nice. And it has the pretty, blue. And lastly, I found this it was a galvanized letter holder with the string. Isn't that cute? And it's like it has blue inside. And it has the buffalo check black and white ribbon, galvanized. And the back is all the same. And this was $3.50. I don't know why I got it, but I was attracted to it. And like I always keep telling y'all about my she shed, whenever I get my she shed, this will be hanging up, and then I can put like my invoices that were paid or whatever inside, to stay organized. So I thought this was this is really nice to hang up. Even you can hang it up like on your wall in your kitchen for important bills that may have to go out when you're on your way out the door to the post office. But for $3.50, I said, I'm getting it. Then I found these, for who? Truly Bear. Look how pretty the ballerina is. It has all the different little stickers, and these are the, it says pill and stick decorations. So I got 3, and these are this is the back side. Isn't that adorable? And then they have her. So that is the back, and then this is the front. They put on her wall, because my granddaughter is every one of these little girls, and y'all have seen my Truly Bear. So I thought this was cute anyway, and I got her 3, and then her mom, can help her put her stickers up on her room along with her Hello Kitty stuff that I sent her. So I'm just going over, I'm finally getting my couch cleaned off. My husband, he's like, oh, thank you, Jesus, thank you. She's finally cleaning off the couch. Hey, like I keep telling you, I don't have a lot of space, so everything gets thrown on the couch, and I have to take my time with my back and pump out these videos when I can do them. But with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a likes, leave me a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you all my new subscribers. I'm pushing towards 700. It's taking me some time, but I'm getting there, and I appreciate every single one of y'all. And always remember, if it ain't cheap, y'all know I ain't buying it, and I hope y'all follow in the same matter. If it ain't cheap, don't buy it. I will see y'all in another video. Y'all stay safe out there. Make sure you have your mask and your gloves on and your hand sanitizing. Y'all stay blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.